Hello everybody, Terry King from Jafffa Adventures. Just out for a cruise in the Maloo. So a couple of months ago I installed a Filippo exhaust, and now that the system is bedded in, I thought we'd go out for a drive and I'd give you a little bit of an idea of what sort of an exhaust note it's got. This is the sort of in-cabin noise that you get under light acceleration. It's not too drony and not too nasty. This is the drone under a moderate acceleration. And this is the note under a heavy acceleration. I've got a cold air intake mounted on the car as well, so the supercharger is a little bit louder than what you would normally hear in a factory car. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have an amazing day. Keep the shiny side up. See ya.